Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Bhindi Masala or ladies finger masala. It's a very widely eaten recipe which is very famous in North India. To see my version of Bhindi Masala, please keep on watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. So guys, let's take a look at the ingredients now. I have already kept them aside. You can see I have chopped onion, chopped tomato, asafoetida, chopped lady's finger, chili powder, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, mustard oil, bay leaves, garam masala, red chili, dhania powder, kasuri methi, cumin seeds, mustard seeds and salt. So I've taken a pan. I'm adding some oil, around 4 to 5 tablespoons, and we are going to fry the bhindi. Now the oil is hot. I've added the lady's finger. Give it a good mix and fry them for a while. Adding some salt, some turmeric. Now mix it properly and fry them for a while on medium flame. Now you can see after frying, my bhindis look like this. Take them out in a bowl. Add few more oil, around 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm adding mustard oil. Now put in the mustard seeds and cumin seeds and the red chili and bay leaves. Now adding the asafoetida or hing and the onion. I've added 3 medium-sized onion. Some salt for the onion, fry them till they are softer and golden brown. Now I'm adding the ginger garlic paste. Fry it for a while. It's time to add all the spices. I'm adding around a teaspoon of turmeric powder, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder. You can also add Kashmiri chili and coriander powder. Kashmiri chili helps you bring out the color. Mix everything nicely. Now I'm adding tomatoes. Give them a good mix. Crush some kasuri methi and add it to your masalas. Add the garam masala powder as well. I added some water and we are gonna bring it to boil. Now you can see my masala is already boiling, so I am adding the bhindi. Mix everything properly and we are going to close with a lid so that the bhindi can absorb the masala. Now you can see our bhindi is almost done. Switch off the gas. I have already served the bhindi in a bowl. You can see so bright and colorful. It's really tasty. Try it with chapati. I hope you liked my recipe. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.